So what's up guys and welcome to my channel over here, and today I'm going to talk about an iPhone SE. The specification of the iPhone SE. The iPhone SE is coming with three different colors. It's a red, the black and the white one. And it's also the red one is the product red, as you know guys. It's coming with the storage of 64, 128 and 256 gigabyte of model. It's great, but I will consider that you could buy an iPhone SE in the 128 gigabyte of 128 gigabyte model. 64 is also enough for your storage, but not that much if you are recording the more videos. If we see the dimension, the 4.7-inch screen, 148 grams. Have you seen? Maybe you have seen that Android devices right now having the 6.1-inch screen or 6.5-inch screen is a $399 price tag. And now we are going to talk about the chipset later in the video. It's coming with the Retina HD display as a normal as the iPhone 8, the iPhone 7, the iPhone 6. Coming with the LCD panel, IPS technology, 326 ppi, as you know guys, and also it coming with a 625 nits brightness. That's great actually, but not that much bright compared to the iPhone 11 because the iPhone 11 Pro we have seen is come with a 800 nits brightness max. Now if we talk about the chipset here, it's come with A13 Bionic chip, which is the same chipset they took out from the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max, and it also have the water resistant at this price tag. That's a great guys. That's a great because the water and the dust resistant IP67 is coming with this 1 meter up to 30 minutes. It's a great phone with a $399 price tag. Okay, the price tag is $399. Now, most of all, everyone in this world is buying an iPhone for the camera. And now we're going to talk about the camera. The camera is coming with 12 megapixel, which is they took out the camera from the iPhone 11. I think the 12 megapixel camera, and also have the portrait mode. It's great, but if you consider about the iPhone 10R, it also have portrait lighting effect with 6 effects. If you consider about the iPhone 10R, they don't have. In that phone, it's not. They only have the natural studio, contour, and stage. But this also have the stage mono, high key mono, additional effects. OIS, as you know, guys, it's also available there. Now about the video recording, they provide you a 24 frame per second, 30 frame per second, and the 60 frame per second. That's great, guys. And 1080p means the full HD, 30 frame per second, also the 60 frame per second, also 720p is for the 30 frame per second. It's great. They also provide quick take video recording. That's great features which is took out from the iPhone 11. Yeah, and now we are going to talk about the front camera, and that's something that is disappoint us. They have the 7 megapixel, which also available in which is also in the iPhone 8. But let me tell you guys, this 7 megapixel come with the 2.2 aperture as same as the iPhone 8, but it have the portrait lightning effects, and it's also have the 6 effects. Okay, the contour, the stage and stage mono, high key mono, natural studio. Now, but only one thing is lack here. If you consider about the iPhone 11 and iPhone SE, that is 1080p recording 30 frames per second in this iPhone SE. But if you buy an iPhone 11, it's have a 60 frame per second recording capability in that phone. Cinematic. But one thing I would like to say, it's have Touch ID, and for right now, Touch ID is the best, I think, guys. It's great. So what do you will think? Do you want to buy this phone or not? For $399 price tag, the phone is great, I guess. If you want to buy an iPhone at least for this logo, some people buy it. So I think it's great. Yeah. but also it's giving you the portrait mode and yeah, 6 effects, the stage contour. But one thing lacks if we consider about the iPhone 11 and this phone is that about the camera, especially the night mode. The night mode is not provided in this iPhone SE camera, but that is provided in that phone, in the iPhone 11. Yeah, it could be because of the price tag, maybe, and having every features. It also have the fingerprint, but in that phone it's Face ID, so you need to give up. It also have the Gorilla Glass from the back and front. I don't know about the which Gorilla Glass. It's have the Gorilla Glass, maybe Gorilla Glass 4. Yeah, having Apple Pay. But most of all, this phone have eSIM. It's nano SIM plus eSIM, and that's a great feature actually. If you want to buy any phone, especially an iPhone, at this price tag, is great. It's insanely great. But in Android, of course, you know that if you're also buying $199 price tag phone, you're getting the dual SIM card slot. But in this iPhone, especially, it's great. It's a greater achievement. And one thing lack is 3.5 mm headphone jack in this phone. It's not there in this phone. So price tag of an iPhone SE right now for the 64 GB model is $399, 128 is $449, and 256 GB is $549. But if we see that price in India, it's for 64 GB is 42,500, 128 47,800, 256 GB 58,300. That is the price right now of an iPhone SE. It's a great phone. The price is too much high in India. They should do something about it, especially about the price. They should drop the price from at least for the 5,000, so it could be helpful for anyone who want to buy an iPhone SE. So subscribe, like, and share, and you can comment in comment box that would you buy an iPhone SE or not, or what features you like about the iPhone SE compared to the other devices in this price tag, or is it great or not? Just give this comment in the comment box.